Oh hey, I'm Fiona, and I like to make video games. I made this game, AI Fashion Frogs #1, Color Guessing, to use neural networks to guess your favorite color. Come on, I'll show you how it works, and I bet we can make an even better game. Okay, so how does all of this work? When I say AI, I really mean a neural network. Artificial intelligence doesn't actually exist yet, although neural networks are the #1 candidate for becoming the first AI. Neural networks are a web of multiplication and addition problems modeled after the human brain. You don't have to understand how they work, just that the inputs come in on the left, they go through a lot of math problems, and they get spat out as outputs. Well, then, how does a math problem guess your favorite color? These AI frogs take in the RGB values of the color as inputs and output a number between 0 and 1 representing how much you like that color, or how much they think you like that color. At first, the frogs are just guessing wildly, but as you pick the correct answers, their neural networks become refined to be more of an educated guess. They go through natural selection. The best frog of each generation is picked to mutate into slightly different copies and the cycle repeats. At the end, only the best frog is left. Well, I was going to reuse the neural network code from this game to make another awesome game for the video, but it sucks. I could list out a bunch of problems with it, but it would probably sound like gibberish to any non-coders, so I'll just skip ahead all of the boring parts and show you the major improvements. This new code is much more optimized, so it runs much faster. Its major difference is that it's flexible to multiple sizes of neural networks. Basically, you can make your AI have any number of inputs and outputs, so you can use it in many situations. Another awesome feature is that it's now an extension, so anyone using this coding language, Makecode Arcade, can use this AI in neat little code blocks. Alright, I won't make you wait any longer. Let's see what AI technology can really do. You might have heard a lot online about AI image generators, but those are far too large for Makecode Arcade to handle, and they rely on a lot of reference images. AI text generators seem simpler, but comprehending a human language is actually really hard and still too big. The best ideas fit the top-down, pixelated video game style of Makecode Arcade. You can make a smart enemy that adapts to the player, computer rivals for two-player minigames, an outfit designer, but I'm getting ahead of myself. This is a demo game, it should be easy to understand. I decided to make a fun little demonstration, where you put your character in any part of the map and the AI will figure out a path that works. It's usually not the best path, although they would find that over an infinite amount of time. Instead, it's the first working path that they find. Here's some gameplay. Did you see that? They found a path and stuck with it. The AIs have the player's position as inputs and their own velocity or speed and direction as outputs. Each round, the quickest 2 nets are picked to create the next generation of 3 and the cycle repeats. It's fantastic, isn't it? How a little program like this can mimic natural evolution. And now that I've made this program into an extension, more people will have access to this cool technology, so there might be even more new AI games. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you like this video, I'd love to hear your comments. If you really liked it, you can subscribe on the left to be notified when I make more videos, or watch my past videos like this on the right. Goodbye!